Menteri Rangba Jelau Konrad Konggal Sangma menta ka sengi ulapan pau banakaliang ka Sorkar jela ka Pdiang ya ka Jingtyrwa jong ka sengking atiar hinyo trap National Liberation Council ban wanno syakamit ban yakran Iasuk hakaba ka Sorkar ban penya syakmat yakane kadang bishar ki kerteng ban longkum ki kesiang habai ekran bat kilat pathai khubor nakaliang Menteri Rangba jela uloong bahadin bala yoi hakilat pathai khubor yaka kerwo bala Phah Daka seng Hnlc bakilat terwa ban wanno syakamit ban yakran Iasuk klembu yakanu kanu ka kendon hakabaya de berkane nakaliang ka Sorkar kala Pdiang yakane ka Jingtyrwa jongki Menteri uloong ban nakaliang ka Sorkar ka kwa ban penyai no syakmat yakane ka benta Hynrei nakaliang jong ka Hnlc kan hab ban Phah Daka shithi syaka Sorkar halor kane ka Jingtyrwa ban yakran Iasuk namar baka Sorkar ka donkam bandon ka jingekran ka balong kerpang Menteri Rangba uloong ru batat hadu ban nakaliang ka Sorkar kan yo ban Pdiang ka shithi na ka Hnlc ka Sorkar kan saphak tien syaka Sorkar India barhadin belayakran baka Sorkar India nakaliang ka Sorkar jela kan sapenya syakmat yakane ka jingekran Iasuk.
In the newspaper that there was a press release that was given by the Hnlc where they have expressed that they would like to have discussion and talks with the government and that these will be unconditional and in the interest of peace they would like to move in this direction and based on that the government of Meghalaya has already started and we welcome the step that has been taken and we are now awaiting a formal written letter from their side expressing the same that they have mentioned in the press release because as a government we'll have to get an official communication. But while we wait for the communication, the government has already started taking steps for identifying individuals who could be interlocutors also. And once we receive the official communication, we will then communicate to Government of India and after discussion with Government of India, we will initiate all the required processes. And as I said, this is a welcome move. We are all wanting peace to be there in the long run. And therefore, this entire communication is in positive direction. But as I said, that we will be waiting for the official communication from their side. So these are only IT from different backgrounds. And of course, what is important is that these people should be people who have enough experience, who have have the necessary qualities to negotiate well and discuss and talk in these matters, people who understand the subject well. So it will be a very broad kind of a thing. We have already in fact made a panel and those panel of names have already been sent to me and we have already had a meeting with the Home Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister and other senior officials of the Government of Meghalaya. And we have already gone through those names. So it will not be appropriate for me to comment on that. But as I said, once the official communication from their side comes in, then we will take it up with Government of India.